Alright, today is Christmas Eve. I'm in Hyde Park and I've got to take this car, left-hand drive Porsche, down into the parking area. First time driving a left-hand drive Porsche, and well, oh, trust me, I nearly went in the wrong end. Yep. So here we go. Probably about my 10th Porsche I've driven now. Oh, all right, keys here. Close the door. Turn it on. Good. And well, this is the gear stick. That brake off. Trying to work out how the bloody gears work. Oh, reverse. Nope. I want to go forward. Yep. And basically turn it around and go downstairs. Let me see if I can leave this here while I turn around. And yeah, trust me to get a left-hand drive car, but then I like them, don't I? So I thought. Alright. Yep. Alright, where the fuck are you going? I always have fucking trouble with these cars. What am I getting? Come on, baby! Here we go. I've got to go because the car's parked there. I have to go down in the one-way system. Yep. This is what I do for most of the day, unless I've got to take a car to a client somewhere. I mean, everyone thinks, yeah, you're driving a Porsche and all that, but after a while, it's just another bloody car. Just another. Where? All right. Oh, this is level 2. This is some of our cars we got parked here. Oh, some lads is cleaning his car. I will go up to level 2, level 1. We're level 2 now. Oh, not many people can say they've driven a left-hand drive Porsche. Yeah, man.